So guys, if you like CloudBot Molbot project, you are absolutely going to love this one. Because as you can see in here it says, Nanobot is an ultra lightweight personal AI assistant inspired by OpenClaw. And that is actually the best description ever. Because in comparison to other implementations of this idea, this one is maybe the best. Simplest of all, easiest to install, extremely simple to use. You can use it both with online models and with local Ollama models. It supports various channels, but in this episode I'm going to test it with Telegram. Plus, if you want to add some skill to it, you can do it by interaction with model itself. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to open my terminal and I'm going to navigate to some directory. Docker directory, it's fine. And I'm going to use command git clone. And I'm going to paste this URL. github.com hcuts nanobot. Let's ls it. We have Nanobot. I'm going to navigate to Nanobot. Let's see what we have in here. And now I'm going to clear my screen. So the next thing is to create a virtual environment. For that I'm going to use Python 3,12 -m VNV, and I'm going to call it VNV, the same. Now in order to activate it, I'm going to get to bash and I'm going to source VNV bin activate, and it's active. I'm going to get back to fish terminal and I'm going to check whether Python version is right. Python -v. It's 3,12. Great. I'm going to clear my screen once again. Now in order to install it, just use pip install nanobot -ai. Alright, I'm going to clear my screen once again. Now in order to set everything up, I'm going to use command nanobot on board. As you can see, everything is set up properly, and what we have to do now, I'm going to copy this address. So I'm going to clear my screen once again, and I'm going to use Helix editor. I'm going to paste this address. Alright, on your Android device, open your Telegram app and select Botfather. If you don't have Botfather in your list, type search and look for Botfather. This is how it's supposed to look like. Open it. Now, in order to start any command, / and type new bot. And I'm going to name it KST. So it's going to be KST _ bot. Oh, it's taken. Let's try KST U2 bot. Now I'm going to use this HTTP API, and now I'm going to send this piece of data to my PC. Alright, this file is completely empty and I already have prepared content for it. I'm going to copy all of this and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now let me explain what all of this is. Within this JSON we have multiple elements: agents, channels, providers, and gateway. Gateway simply says on what port this service is going to run and what IP address is going to bind. So we are going to listen on all of interfaces and on port 18790. With channels, we are going to use only Telegram. It has to be set to true, and in here you are going to see token, that is token from chatbot that we just created, and allow from. In here you can set multiple IDs, but I used only one. That's mine. If for some reason you want to access this chatbot with 10 different users, you are going to add all of 10 IDs to this list. But now things are getting interesting in here. With agents, we have to set a default agent. In here, you see that I set OpenAI, although I am going to use my local Ollama model. And on one of my local machines, I have this model on Ollama, Qwen3 with 8 billion parameters. So we are going to use this model. But why I set OpenAI? Because Nanobot by default works with OpenAI and it understands it the best. What is worse, cannot work without it. You actually need OpenAI API in order to run anything. Now, this in front of you is hacky way to solve this problem. I am providing OpenAI, so I am saying that I'm going to use it, but I'm not. I'm providing my local model, and in here with providers, I'm setting that I'm going to use API, but then in API key, I'm setting Ollama, and I am providing Ollama API base. So this API base has nothing to do with OpenAI, it's actually URL towards my Ollama. And as you can see, I'm running it on one of my local machines with IP address of 192.168.0.39 and 11.434, it's default port for Ollama. So I'm going to write all of this out. And let's start Nanobot gateway. Perfect. So first I'm going to test it with Telegram. On my Android phone I'm going to open this KST bot and I'm going to press start. You can see that I'm already getting a welcoming message from Nanobot and I'm going to ask something like what kind of model you are. All right. Tell me some joke. About turtles. All right, I'm fine with this. Let's try something else. I'm going to open another tab in my terminal. And although we are in the same location, I have to activate this environment first. So I'm going to use bash for it with command source vnv bin activate. All right, I'm going to get back to my fish terminal and I'm going to type command nanobot agent. And in this way we can communicate with Nanobot through command line. Alright, everything is operational. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe, see ya!